Yes, my people, so here's a demonstration now. What I'm gonna show you, like if you purchase one of my wine holder hanger, you can hang it anywhere in the house. See here. So this is it. It all the wine stir everything. And most important thing, you can hang this up anywhere in the house. Anywhere at all in the house, anywhere where you live. Anyway, I'll pay a veranda if you want, if you please. So here it is. And the whole set, if you want the whole set, listen, I must tell you, say, the bottle, it don't have any this is just a decorated bottle. You understand me? But you can lift off this, the piece of material when I put when I knit, and it come off. See it here? You can put it on your wine where you want and hang it up on this. So here we go. You just drop this on the wine where you have in your house for full, or you do it. But if you want to like decorate something, or you want to buy the whole of this, or so, a 3-5, or you can buy this alone and carry go. Let me move this. You can move this alone and carry go away if you want. This alone. Understand me? So here it is. So just a show a demonstration how it do. So may I beg for some support. Yeah. On this. Look, go down. This can go by your, you can buy the back alone to decorate your own part where you have your own house. But as I say, you can buy the piece of material alone, the piece of material, because I knit, you can buy it for 1.5 for this alone. So this can go by any wine, see there? And drop it so it go by your wine. You can hang this up on your wall. You can put this, a piece as a center table piece for your Christmas dinner or your side table. It overall, anything where you want to do with it, for your one. Yeah, but the hanger now, you hang it up. You have your favorite wine, you hang it up in your house. So, hang it up in your house. Because this is your wine, so you hang it up in your house. It won't drop, it's sturdy. I don't want to hang up in my house. So I beg some support. And all who out there would like something. See? Can turn. So the wine holder alone, this after 2,000. The buckle we decorate. So the whole of this is for about 2.5. If you want to decorate it buckle with it. The wine holder alone, 2 grand for this. And me have to knit this. Should I sell it about Corona? I want something go sell, you know? So big up my people them who want to support me. You can call, the number will always be on your screen. You can put up pretty on this too. If you want to put pepper light, yes, or sweetie. Because I just go on this for all. As I say, see it here. It's a good look. Show now again. See the back here? It's a decorated piece. Some people call it convocational piece. See it there? It's a buckle. Any wine buckle this can go over. A piece of cloth. A piece of knit material. You drop it low. Look where you drop it. Drop it over your wine glass and see it there. Because it knit. See there? and it had the look of floor. Oh, put this in your house. What your favorite wine and what you putting up in your house. You know? See it there? Or if you want a decorated background alone, you know, say 1.5 feet. I'm just trying you to try, you know? Yes, so big up on yourself. And that's all me have for today. But just a demonstration. Video.Guru. So then this up anywhere in our house. Anyone favorite wine anyway. Put it anyway. Alright. Big up on yourself. So the number is on the screen, or one you can call 330-9534. Enough respect.